We have seen that distributed working can have a significant social impact, so why is it not more widely available? Why are fully distributed jobs still being centralized in urban locations rather than being distributed equally across any location? What is the problem, and how can we solve it? The reality is that, despite the potential for distributed working to transform how we live and work, there are still many systemic barriers that are preventing us from realizing its full potential. The heart of the problem is that the infrastructure, technology, and systems for driving awareness of fully distributed jobs is simply not fit for purpose. Despite a significant rise in the number of distributed jobs available, we are still trying to promote and advertise these jobs using a system that was not built for them. It's a bit like trying to watch an Ultra HD movie on an old TV from the 80s. It just doesn't work. This is because fully distributed companies usually advertise their roles within A, a single tax jurisdiction, B, a time zone or a specific group of countries, or C, sometimes the job is available in any country globally. So you can already see how this could cause problems, both for the companies and for the candidates. Global, fully distributed companies like GitLab, Zapier, Doist, and Buffer are not names that are widely known. These companies do not focus on a particular location or country. They hire wherever the talent is. So talented candidates in local communities are missing out, purely because they haven't heard about these companies. Advertising fully distributed jobs is completely different from advertising traditional office-based roles. Even companies that are more well-known struggle to reach potential candidates everywhere. These companies do not advertise their jobs in the local paper or on the local radio. Usually, the jobs are posted on their company career site. So how do talented candidates in local communities hear about them? There is no mechanism to make this happen. There is no one place or platform for a candidate to go to find all the distributed job opportunities that are open where they live. This is because no one gets paid to promote these jobs or to educate potential candidates on how to reach them. Sometimes traditional recruiters even tell candidates that there aren't many remote jobs open in their area, not fully understanding how this new market works. Current job platforms are full of jobs that are advertised as remote, but when you look at the small print, you find out that they require you to be in the office. And applicant tracking systems in most job platforms still require you to add a location when advertising a distributed job, which does not work for jobs that are available across multiple locations or even globally. Even on job platforms that advertise only distributed jobs, such as EU remote jobs, it is difficult to find all the distributed jobs that are available in your specific location. On top of all of this, there is a lack of institutional support for the promotion and landing of distributed jobs at a local, national, and EU level. Since distributed jobs by their nature do not belong anywhere, there is no national push or concerted effort to land these jobs in any one country or location. But with over 100,000 distributed jobs open in EMEA today, leaving this to happen naturally is a huge missed opportunity. Financial incentive schemes are still very much focused on bringing centralized employment into one location or region rather than promoting distributed employment. And while financial incentives are given to companies who establish a physical presence by opening an office or site in a rural or underdeveloped community, if a fully distributed company hires in these same areas, they do not benefit from any of these incentives. These are not easy challenges to solve, but this is why Grow Remote exists. We are dedicated to addressing these systemic challenges head-on. Through education, community building, and innovative programs, Grow Remote paves the way for a future where distributed work benefits everyone, everywhere. Learn more at growremote.ie and follow us on YouTube.